Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we are here because we're going to be unboxing my Young Living Essential Rewards box for the month of July. I am unboxing this a little bit late, but I guess better late than never. So for those of you who don't know, Young Living is an essential oil company. However, you can think of them as a health and wellness company because they have essential oils, they have nutritional supplements and wellness items, they have personal care products, they have household cleaning items, and everything that they make is oil infused and is designed to be healthy and non-toxic and clean products. Each month I get a box because I signed up for the Essential Rewards program I think over 5 years ago. And so I'm committed to spending at least $50 a month on essential oil products from Young Living. I usually change up my products. Sometimes I get personal care products, sometimes I get essential oils. It's all based on what my home needs. So I think this month is skincare products, and it is a smaller order because July is the month that my family and I go on vacation, and so I tend to spend a little bit less on products from Young Living that month just to try and save some money. But I did spend some of my essential rewards points to get some free items, so I'll share those with you too. So let's go ahead and get into the box to see what I got for this month. And I got some packing and my invoice here. And like I said, I didn't spend a lot this month. So the first item that I see in my box is the Art Gentle Cleanser, and I'm going to get a little closer so you can see that. And so I have been using the Art skincare line as my morning skincare routine for at least a couple years, and I really like it, but I do think I'm interested in trying their Bloom line, which is designed for all kinds of things, including like hyperpigmentation on the skin. Like I get some, I guess you would call them age spots or sunspots on my skin, and I want to see if that will help me. But for now, I've got the Art Gentle Cleanser. And the Art, A-R-T, stands for Age Refining Technology from what I understand. So it says, Art Gentle Cleanser cleanses the skin with a soft, gentle lather. Infused with skin-loving essential oils, your face will feel clean and refreshed with a renewed, radiant look. And it just says, apply to wet hands and with a circular motion, massage over face and neck. Rinse with warm water. Use both morning and night. Now at nighttime, I tend to use the Orange Blossom line because I do have like acne prone issues and things like that. I get like acne down on my chin, so I try to use that to help with that. But I love this. So I'm going to read what it says in the book for the Art Gentle Cleanser. It says, Art Gentle Cleanser promotes glowing skin by washing away impurities with a soft, gentle lather. Infused with skin-loving essential oils, your face will feel clean and refreshed with a renewed, radiant look. And I was trying to see what kind of essential oils it has in it. So for essential oils, it has frankincense, royal Hawaiian sandalwood, melissa, lemon, and lavender essential oils in the Art Gentle Cleanser. So it smells really good, it foams up, and it feels really good on my skin. So I love that. Next in the box to go along with that is the Art Refreshing Toner. And I love the toner. It feels so good on your skin when you use it. And so it says, Art Refreshing Toner gently tones without drying the skin. The perfect blend of essential oils leaves your face clean and refreshed. And the directions say, after cleansing, gently sweep over face and neck with a cotton round. Follow with your favorite Young Living serum and moisturizer. Let's see what the essential oils are in this. This one says that it has royal Hawaiian sandalwood, peppermint, frankincense, lavender, lemon, melissa, and it has green tea leaf extract. So that feels really good on my skin. So those were the two items that I paid for my Essential Rewards order for the month of July. But I did get some freebies using my Essential Rewards points, and I can't even remember what I ordered. It's been that long ago. So let me get that. And that came in this bag right here, and I've already cut it open. I've got my packing slip. Oh, I do remember getting this. And so I got the MultiGreens, and I don't know if you can see that, the MultiGreens Herbal Supplement. And it says energizing greens with revitalizing oils formulated with Melissa essential oil. And so this is a supplement that I take in the morning to help give me some energy. And let's see what it says. Directions: take 3 capsules 2 times daily. Now I only take 1 capsule a day. So let's read what it says about the MultiGreens supplement. It says MultiGreens blends chlorophyll-rich botanicals, choline, and amino acids to support overall wellness. Pure rosemary, lemon, and Melissa essential oils are added to aid in absorption. And so I just like to take that to give me a little boost of energy, and it has some good ingredients in it, and so I enjoy taking that. And like I said, I only take 1 capsule a day. I could increase that, but for right now I'm just taking 1 a day. So that was my first free item. And then I just have 1 little tube, and this is how your essential oils come. And so the first freebie I got is lime essential oil. I love this. This is a great summertime oil, but it's also great for promoting relaxation. I love to diffuse lime with Stress Away, and it smells like a margarita. It's probably my husband's favorite diffuser blend that I put in our diffuser in the evening after work. It just has a really good relaxing scent, and so lime is a single oil, and it's just a good one to have around. Next, another good staple that I like to keep on hand is orange essential oil. And orange is something I use all year round. Both the lime and the orange is something I use all year round. I'm always diffusing Stress Away and lime throughout the year, but I also like to add orange to spring and summer diffuser blends, but it also goes really well with those fall and winter diffuser blends. So I'm already thinking about those fall diffuser blends where I'll take orange and clove, or I'll take orange and thieves, or orange and Christmas spirit, and they smell so good together. So orange is something I keep on hand all the time. It's a good freebie. And I think I've got 1 more. Oh, lavender. So lavender is one of my favorite essential oils. It just smells so good. I actually put it in a spray bottle, and I spray it like a perfume, and I'll roll it on the top of my hand or on my arm here, and it just smells so good. But lavender is another single oil. So let me read to you what they say about these 3 essential oils. So for the lime essential oil, it says, lime has a wonderfully light and uplifting aromatic scent. Diffuse it to encourage feelings of positivity. And I would agree with that. It's very relaxing. It gives you a good, happy feeling. For the orange, it says, orange is a favorite for diffusion and aromatic uses. It may be calming and bring on feelings of inspiration. So that's a good one. And then for the lavender, it says, lavender is a popular essential oil long loved for its calming, soothing fragrance. When diffused, lavender adds a clean and fresh scent to any room. It is also a relaxing addition to body care products and baths. So those are some great essential oils that I used my points on to get for free. So I paid for both of the art products. I got the MultiGreens, the lime, the orange, and the lavender for free. If you have any questions about Young Living and their essential oils or their oil infused products, feel free to ask those questions in the comments boxes down below. I love Young Living. I've been using it for over 5 years. It is just a great addition to your health and wellness regimen. I will also leave my membership number down in the description box below. If you're interested in trying some of these products out, you can use that membership number to get in and order some products for yourself. If you have any questions, let me know. Until next time, bye guys.